Yo, TechCGK here. So in today's video I'm gonna give you the full review of the new Boat power bank after using it for 2 weeks. So let's get right into it. So here's the power bank after 2 weeks of usage. So to be honest and in short, this power bank is not up to the mark as claimed by the company and its advertisements. And I am just about to tell you why. So here are the reasons. First of them, the bank is rated 20,000 by the company. As you can see here, the capacity is 20,000 as printed. Well, in reality the rated capacity is 13,000 mAh, as you can clearly see on the bottom left of the packet. And if you have to see the full unboxing, I'll provide a link in the description and also on the top right corner. And also guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as it really helps me bring these videos to you. So now in continuation of the cons, here comes the second reason. So as you can see, there are 4 LEDs near the ports and 3 of them are visible right now. So let me focus onto that. So as you can see, there are 3 lights lit right now, and basically the problem is that you can only see the lights from a particular angle. So now that I have tilted the power bank, I cannot see the lights properly, and from here as well. So I'm gonna share my experience. So this happened to me that I misinterpreted 3 lit up lights for 4 lit up lights, and trust me, that wasn't nice. And guys, again, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And now I'm gonna address the main and the third problem, which is the build quality. At first the build quality felt really nice, but after using it for a few days, I can say that it is a mid-range quality, which is not pretty great. And as you can see, as I'm pulling the USB out, it's kind of bulging out. The plastic is actually coming out, and I have seen some reviews wherein some users have reported that the actual battery is out. And as I'm pressing it, we can see that the plastic is also kind of going inside. And I'm gonna repeat this experiment just for you guys out there. So as you can see, the plastic is again bulging out, which is not great. So now the company has to understand that the consumers are smart and you really don't get so many chances in the market. And while Make in India is a really good thing, the company, and not only this company, all the Indian companies should really consider quality. And by quality I mean producing good quality products. And here are some shots that I took, so enjoy them and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So guys, if you liked my video, don't forget to leave a like and also comment in your suggestions in the comment box below. Peace out and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.